Today we're going to be learning about special talents. My special talent is the diamond push-up.
Good. Well, guys, he said it. Special talents. Today is the day that we're going to be talking about special talents. So we're going to be asking the team, what is your special talent? I'm going to start myself. Mine is taking good pictures. So these are just examples of some of the pictures that I've taken throughout my life. I have a passion for photography. That's my son Connor. That one was in Oklahoma in Route 66. This one here. So photography for me is a way of documenting the places that I have been when I go riding motorcycles. And throughout my office, I have some of those pictures. I've gotten good feedback from the patients. They like it. This one was in Zion National Park in Utah. Here you go. That's one of the pictures too. And this one also was in Arkansas. So that one right there is my special talent. Photography, motorcycle riding, and obviously making beautiful smiles. So we're gonna continue to ask people what their special talent is. We're gonna start with my office manager, Miss. Are you ready? She has a very, very, very special talent, if you wanna call it. Her name is Miss Cheryl Smith. Say hi, Cheryl.
Hi.
So we're going around the office and asking people what are their special talents. Your special talent is?
Breaking both elbows at the same time.
You were getting gas,
Yeah.
and you tripped, fell, and broke both of your elbows.
Yeah.
Elbows.
Yeah.
Not one, but both. Well, it's a talent to.
Considering my life, yes.
It's a talent because not everybody can achieve that of breaking both elbows at the same time. All right, so we're gonna continue to go in the office, asking people about their special talent. Now is Miss Veronica. There you go. Woo! Say hi, Miss Veronica.
Hello.
How you doing?
Hello.
What is your special talent?
Oh.
You were a bartender before.
Oh, I was a bartender. I can mix you up a drink.
There.
So technically, I'm a mixologist.
Mixologist,
Yes.
okay. And what's the definition of a mixologist? A person that can, a bartender?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
a specialist. I'm a drink specialist.
So when people, did you go to like bartending school or something? You just learn as you went?
I just learned. as I
Oh,
went.
okay. All right.
Yeah. You just got.
And for how long did you do that?
It was my whole college career. Well, not whole college career because you're not 21 when you first go to college.
Okay, all
The
right.
screen went off.
That's okay. So, all right, so cool. Well, that was Miss Veronica's special talent. She can definitely make some drinks for you. Special talents. Continuing, let's see, who else do we have here? All right, we going to Miss Camille. You have to choose one or more than one. What are your special talents?
That I can play a musical instrument.
What? More than one?
No, just one right now.
Okay, so what do you play?
The acoustic guitar.
Nice.
Yes.
Did you go to school? And so you have been playing since you were 12?
12, yeah, I'm 26 now.
Wow.
14 years.
And can you sing too?
I can sing too.
Really?
Yes.
Well, we gotta have an example, an a cappella. What's your favorite song to sing?
I like to sing my own songs.
Oh, really? You write songs?
I write my own music.
Okay.
And I write my own lyrics and my own chords.
All right. So, of all the songs that you have written, which one is your favorite?
I have one called Little Songs.
Okay.
And it's a love song.
Oh, it's a love song.
And
Okay.
it is about, like if you have a crush on somebody or if you like somebody and you have songs that, like, I guess if they remind you of that person and you sing little songs in your head all day just because you're in a good mood and you've got love songs stuck in your head, it's about singing those little songs. all
Okay.
day just 'cause-
And can you sing like 1 or 2 lines of that song?
I don't know if I can sing it in my retainer.
That's okay. It's fine. It's definitely better than what I would do.
Okay. Daydreaming of you, making up songs about you in my head all day, just to pass the time. That's it.
Whoa, that was awesome. Did you hear that, Ricky? Do you like it? Is she a good singer? All right, well, thank you, Camille. That was awesome.
You're welcome.
Amazing talent. Okay, so here we keep going. Just in time, Miss Shannon Poo or Chan. So if you have to choose one, what would be your special talent?
I can do a 5-minute overview
In an hour?
in an hour.
Oh, we need to see about that. I'm gonna bring a puzzle here. An hour. Oh wow, I didn't know that about you. That's a good one, girl. We have here Miss Gwen. How are you, Gwen? You had a good day yesterday?
I had a great
Oh, we're going around the office asking about special talents with each person. So, if you have to choose one,
Just one.
yeah,
Okay.
what will be your special talent that you can do?
I would say my special talent would be I'm one of the very few millennials that can still cook from scratch.
Really?
I can cook
Any
from
dish?
scratch, any dish.
And it's good?
And I'm really good at.
We're not
making-
talking about microwave
Oh
stuff.
no, we're talking
Oh.
about from scratch. Like if I have to add flour, cornstarch,
What?
like from scratch.
And what
I
is-
don't use water. I just drop.
What? And what is the one dish that you love to make?
It's gonna have to be fried cabbage with jerk chicken and macaroni and cheese.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
That was Gwen, people. That was her special talent. We're gonna talk to our lab tech, Jesse, the Jesse man. If you had to choose a special talent that you have, which talent will that be?
Demolition derby race.
Oh, the what?
Demolition derby.
Demolition derby. So that's a special talent. Not everybody can do that. But for that, before you even start doing the race, you have what is the requirement?
Drink a 30-pack of beer.
Oh my God. So just imagine how talented you have to be able to do something like that. Well, thank you, sir. Okay, well, thank you for sharing your special talent. That was Jesse's special talent. So we have Miss Rakaya here that she was hiding because she didn't want to be in the video. So, hey, what is your special talent, if you have any?
I can cook.
What?
I can
What can you cook?
anything.
Mac and cheese?
Yeah. I think anything.
Like microwave mac and cheese?
No.
Okay.
Homemade.
No, so you can what's your favorite dish?
Meatloaf.
Meatloaf. I love. We're gonna have to make a menu here of people cooking. Look who we have here. Miss Hannah Banana. Yeah. What's up, girl? So, other than doing great SRPs, which is your special talent?
Okay. I can eat almost a whole watermelon in a setting. Love me some watermelon. And I
And
make calculus disappear.
or what are you talking about?
No, I'm talking about the plaque that hardens on your teeth.
Oh, there you go. Oh, and any other special talents that you have? She's not gonna tell you, but she can play the drums,
Play the drum.
right? Are you any good at it?
Pretty decent.
Because we know you're not good at karaoke. We already proved that in the challenge. I'm the best one at karaoke. Okay, right? All right, well, that was the whole crew with their special talents. We're gonna be posting this video tonight. I hope you guys like it and subscribe it. Oh, we got one more person. We forgot about.
Yo.
Oh Lord. We're going around the office asking about the special talent. What is your special talent? Special.
I talk a lot. That's a special talent.
Oh, well, yes, that's true. If talking is a special talent, you are the master. Can you cook too, Camille?
I can cook spaghetti.
Oh, well, that takes a special talent. All right, guys. Well, again, please like and subscribe to the channel. We will see you again on the next video. please like, subscribe, and share this video to everybody you know on the channel. We'll be here waiting for you. I hope you like this edition of the Army Biker DMD channel. Until then, we'll see you later. Bye.